Okay, so now I'm going to find the area of this trapezoid. So now for a trapezoid, the formula is just a little different. Okay, we have a couple of things. So the area is equal to the base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2, all of that multiplied by the altitude height. Okay, so what is base 1 and base 2? Well, this is base 1 and this is base 2. And then obviously the altitude height is the distance between the parallel lines such that it's perpendicular to the baseline. So my altitude height is 1.8 meters, and my two bases are going to be 0.9 meters and or 2.9 plus 0.9 meters. Ran out of space there. All divided by 2. So that's the area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say in parentheses 2.9 plus 0.9, close the parentheses, divide by 2, and I get 1.9. So all this stuff in green becomes 1.9 meters. Now I'm going to multiply that by the 1.8 meters. And that'll give me the area of this trapezoid. So times 1.8, and I get a total of 3.42 meters squared. So the area is 3.42 meters squared, but again I'm asked to round to the nearest tenth. So I look at the 100th spot. That's the spot right to the right of that. And it's 2, which is less than 4. 4 or lower means that we round down. So then my answer is approximately 3.4 meters squared.